Hello, my name is Zainab. So today we'll be studying about the subject biology. Now, what exactly is biology? Biology is a subject which gives us the information about the living organisms around us. Every living organism, including us. So, what does it give us? It gives us in-depth information and understanding of the natural world. Okay, now today I'll be discussing about the chapter 10th of class 12 CBSE, microbes in human welfare. Okay, so what are microorganisms? Microorganisms are the minute organisms which cannot be seen by our naked eyes. Now they might be present everywhere. They are present even on the fingertips. All right, so they may be present in the water, soil, in high temperature areas, in low temperature areas, then in thermal vents, and deep down inside the soil, then even in the acidic environments. Now, microbes are also divided in certain parts. So, we have protozoa, fungi, bacteria, then we have microscopic animals, then plant viruses, viroids, and prions, which are the proteinaceous materials which infects us. Okay, now microorganisms, they can be grown on medias in the sense is nutrition medium which we provide to the microorganism, so as to they can grow in that, and then we can visually see them. Otherwise microorganisms are not seen by our naked eyes, and we have to use some kind of microscope, may it be simple or compound or any other type of microscope. So when we grow the microorganisms in a medium, may it be a solid medium or may it be a liquid medium, so we can visualize them by our own eyes, and they form a tiny colonies on the petri plate so that we can visualize them. Okay, now we have an understanding that microorganisms are always harmful because they cause a numerous amount of diseases. But now not all the microorganisms are harmful, but there are many microorganisms who are very helpful to us, that is humankind, and we use them for our benefits. Now for that topic, we'll start with the microbes in the household products. Okay, so as we know that microorganisms are everywhere, but we also use them for producing some products which we eat. Okay, so most common product we eat is the curd, which is formed from the milk, obviously. Now what does microorganism do with it? So microorganisms converts which microorganism basically, so the microorganism which is lactic acid bacteria, which converts the milk, it coagulates the milk by producing acid, and it digests the milk proteins, and hence the curd is formed. So the curd formed is very nutritious, very high in the nutrition value, because it also contains vitamin B12. Okay, so another organism which we can talk about is the most common one also. Now in that we have usually seen that we eat bread a lot. Okay, so how is that bread made? With what? So basically the bread dough is also fermented with the use of an organism called as yeast, and it is the most common organism. Every other people have that yeast in their dry yeast in their house for producing fermented products. Okay, so bread dough is also made using the yeast, which is scientifically called as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay,